Hey guys, what's up? Sped here. Just wanted to start with a quick apology just for not uploading much recently. It's been mad. There's just so much going on. I've been out to loads of shows, played a couple of things myself, I've been jamming with people, I've been writing with a couple of people, I've been doing some TV extra work for a bit of extra money, I've been teaching. There's just loads going on. It's all really good stuff. I'm not complaining about it. I'm just explaining why my posting and uploading schedule has been a little bit off. So I hope you can understand that. Thank you to everyone who's watched that Slash cover that I put up. It's just got over 6,000 views, which just says to me I need to make sure that I keep my content up to date and current. So what I thought I would do that's a little bit more manageable is I would maybe do a little series of videos teaching that tune. So today we're just going to start with the intro riff and the backing that goes behind it, and then maybe tomorrow or the day after I can upload the verse and what goes on there. Remember, if you want the tabs and the backing tracks, you can just head over to my Patreon to unlock all that stuff. So to start this opening riff, we're going to take our second finger to the 14th fret of the D. Then you're going to take your third finger to the 14th fret of the G. And then our index finger to the 12th fret of the high E. You're basically playing around A minor shape. Okay? So that was 14 on the D, G, then 12 on the E. Then we've got 3 notes on the same string, so that's the B string, 15, 13, 12. You can do that third, second, first finger, that's probably the best bet. Okay, you're going to hit the 14 on the G again, second finger, and then you're going to take your index finger back to the 12 on the high E, hit that twice, and then slide it into the 13. Okay? Last note, 15th fret of the B. And that note is D. So we've started in A. And then as the chord moves to a D minor, we resolve that opening phrase on a D. So for the second riff, we've got the same start note, 14th fret of the D. But the next note we're going to hit is the 13th fret of the G with the index finger. Okay. After that, you're going to hop the index finger over to the B string, also in fret 13, and we have a very quick hammer on to the 15, which I play with the third finger, like that. So we're barely hearing that 13th fret. We're hearing more of the 15. Okay. So it goes like that. After that, we're going to come back down to the 13th fret of the B, and then the 12. 14th fret of the G, and then 12th fret of the G. Okay. Then we've got the 15th fret of the B. You're going to hit that twice, and then slide up 2 frets to the 17 before hitting the 13th fret of the B. The rhythm part is a G and then moves to a C. And again, we're resolving on a C note. So here's the first 2 riffs together. So for the third phrase, we're moving down to the 10th fret of the D, and then we're going to play the 10th fret of the G, both with the index finger. Okay? You can hop it over, or you can do a bar. Then you're going to take your 4th finger to the 13th fret of the B. Okay? We're going to hit 12 and then 10 also on the B, maybe 3rd finger and 1st finger. Okay? Then the 12th fret of the G and the 10th fret of the G. it's following that same pattern every time, we're just changing the notes. Back to the 13th fret of the B with the little finger. Now we have this little riff. And what I'm doing there, after the 2 13s, I'm taking my 3rd finger to the 12, I'm hammering my little finger back onto the 13, pulling it off, and then I'm pulling off the 12 to the 10, all in one motion. Hammer, pull, pull. We're going to finish on the 12th fret of the B, which is the note B. And like I said before, we're resolving to the same note as the chord, so it's gone from F to a B minor. Okay? The last one starts on the 9th fret of the D, and then it goes to the 9th fret of the G. It's very, very similar to the one before it. We've just come back 1 fret. Then we're going to stretch our 4th finger over to the 12th fret of the B. Then we're going to go to the 10th fret and the 9th fret. Okay. Then we go to the 10th fret and the 9th fret on the G as well, 2nd and 1st finger. Back to the 12th fret of the B, hit it twice and then slide up 2 frets to the 14th fret before finishing on the 10th fret of the B. So you can see that last bit there, because it's moved from the 12th fret to the 14th, that C sharp, it's suggesting that the last chord would be an A major because of the C sharp here. So we go finishing on the A. It's cool because the song sort of opens on an A minor, and through the chord changes makes its way to A major. And here they are all together with a little click in. So if you just want to play the simple chords behind the lead part, you can start with an A minor, followed by a D minor, followed by a G, then a C, then an F, then a B minor, then an E, and then an A major. So I worked this all out by ear before there was a live video of him playing it. He actually does play the opening riff down here and kind of descends down. The first thing I did was kind of come up here because I heard it was A minor. So they are the right notes, but it's my spin on the way it's played. Go easy in the comments. That's what I'm saying. Hope you enjoyed this little mini lesson today. We're going to have another one either tomorrow or in a couple of days with the next part of the tune. Also, if you want to head over to Instagram, follow me there. Look at my stories. If you ever see me out and about, feel free to track me down to the bar that I'm in and just buy me a pint, because it's about £5.90 a pint down here, and that's pretty shocking. I'll either be with my friend Dela Cruz or Simon. Either way, we would all appreciate a drink. If you liked this video, don't forget to thumb it up, leave me a comment below and hit subscribe, and I'll see you soon.